Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on emotional intelligence and self-awareness. The question is, how do I enhance my self-awareness? Kit, some people say I'm pretty good at my job, pretty competent, pretty smart, pretty funny, and just plain pretty. How do I know if what they are saying is true, or are they just being nice to me? How does a person know themselves really? We often see ourselves in the reflection of others, a mirroring of the judgments of those around us. This is called reflected appraisal. Reflected appraisal refers to how we develop an image of ourselves from the way people respond to us and from the way we think others view us. You can also take some assessments and personality inventories to understand yourself better. You can review your experiences and the impact those have had on your personality, knowledge, and skill development. Think about the years you were growing up. What did you like to read? What did you like to watch on TV? Who are your friends? What are the memories concerning your neighborhood? What do you recall from elementary, middle, or high school? What were your favorite, classes? What clubs were you in? What activities did you participate in and with whom? Also, what sports did you play and did you volunteer? Now think about all the education and work experience you have acquired. List every award, certificate, plaque, trophy, ribbon, license, talent, ability, skill, acts of kindness, volunteer activities, anything you should have been. Pat on the back, job well done. A walk down memory lane sounds lovely. I will retrace my steps from when I could first walk when I was a little bitty kid. I'm not sure I enjoyed any classes in high school. I will review my progress and growth and respond and recognize my talents. This is going to take a while. Thank you for watching this video blog on emotional intelligence and self-awareness. And the question was, how do I enhance my self-awareness? Take some personality tests, talk with some trusted coworkers and friends, and recognize your skills and talents. Self-awareness is the first step in improving emotional intelligence. Take some time to get to know yourself. If you and your coworkers could benefit from an engaging presentation on emotional intelligence, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide an interactive presentation that will boost your emotional intelligence.